If you're new, welcome. My name is Nano, and in today's video it's gonna be a crochet hair. Yes, another one. I'm gonna show you guys the hair, and we'll talk more about the hair while I'm installing it. So that's the one I'm gonna be using today. Okay, it's the color 1T1B/B something, yeah, burgundy BG. So yeah, that's what the hair look like. It's a passion spring twist. Okay, it's the passion spring twist from Authentic. So yeah, that's what it look like, you guys. Like I said, I'll talk more about it in the thing. So it came with 30 strand. You have 30 strand. It says soft touch, bouncy and lightweight, easy to install. So yeah, we'll get into it more in the video. So let's just get right into the video. So yes, loves, let's just get right into it. As I can see, I already have my hair braiding down. It just, I don't know, it's just something like the front, you want to make sure that's flat. The back, it's whatever you do as you go. So yeah, all you need is your crochet hook and the hair. And the hair I'm gonna be using today is the Authentic hair, which is super bomb, you guys. So yeah, I don't know what I was doing here, but it's something I always do. So yeah, the hair is super soft, you guys, and super bouncy. As it said, the hair is giving what it's supposed to give. Okay, as you can see, it's really bouncy. So yeah, that was me showing you how the strand look like, and they are full, you guys. They are really full and bouncy. Now I went and add my oils into my scalp. You know, you want to keep your hair moisturized and all that good stuff. So yeah, you can go ahead and add the oil of your choice. Now let's do the first one. As I can see, I opened my latch hook, insert it to my hair, and then hook the crochet hair around it. Okay, close the latch hook, pull it. All right, and you wanna open the loop and get the hair right into it. I'm doing 2 knots because the hair is super soft. You wanna make sure it's secure. So instead of doing 1, we're doing 2. Okay, like I said, it's super soft. Make sure you do 2 knots, and then that's it. Super easy, you guys. So yeah, we're gonna do another one so you guys can see. All right, you loop it around your finger. You make sure you open the crochet hook. All right, insert it through your hair, hook the hair around it, close the latch hook and pull it. And when you pull it, you want to make sure you open the loop before you pull it or after, but before it's better. All right, instead of 1 knot, we're doing 2 knot method. You crisscross, as you can see, I just showed you, and then you pull the hair through it. Make sure it's secure. It's super easy. And as you guys, do you guys see that bounce? The hair is super bouncy, you guys. I love it. The hair is bomb. Right, then again, the hair I'm using, it's from Authentic. It's the spring twist something, passion twist something. So yeah, as I can see, I went and do the back. We're just gonna do the same thing, the traditional crochet, the same thing over and over. I'm gonna do that around the back, so you guys insert the crochet hook and then hook the hair around it, pull it. All right, that's what I was saying. So you make sure the hair don't get tied up together. So yeah, and then you just pull it through. All right, let's do another one. Hook it, close it, pull it, open it. All right, get it in, and then knot, twist, knot. So 2 knots. Super easy, you guys. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos. So that's what the back look like after I do the perimeter the back or whatever. So that was 1 pack, you guys, and let me tell you guys, I made a mistake, but yeah, we'll get into that in a few. So that was one pack and I had 2 pack left. All right, I only get 3 packs. So now let's do some up in the front so you guys can see one more time. All right, I'm just gonna let you guys watch. See what I was saying? You gotta be super careful when you're doing this. That's why it's best if you open the loop before you remove the crochet needle, so the hair don't get tied up, tangle, or whatever. And here, you guys, I don't know if you're paying attention, you can see instead of pulling 2 strands, I only pull 1, okay, to give you more like a natural look. And that's how you also do the invisible method. But I just wanted to do the side like that to show you before I do it in the front, or if by any chance I decide to wear it on the side, I'll be able to. All right, and it gives you more of a fuller look. You see, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, it gives you more like a fuller look. As you can see, you can barely see the cornrows. I hope that makes sense. So there's another one which I decided to do the traditional one because it's all the way in the back anyway. It's not like it's gonna show. But yes, you guys, and if you haven't tried this hair, please go ahead and try it. Like I said, this hair is super bomb. All right, and I love it. I might getting some more, but in a different color. But yeah, see, instead of 2, I'm gonna pull 1, twist and knot. We're still doing 2 knots. All right, and yes, you guys, the mistake that I made is that I put too much hair in the back. Okay, I should have separated them in 2, because like I said, you guys, these strands are super full, but I end up putting more hair in the back, which you don't want to do. So next, if you're doing it, make sure you keep that in mind, because after I fluff this hair out, you guys, it's a lot of hair. All right, it's a lot of hair. So as I can see now, I was done with this. I only had to do the invisible part. You see, you can see the top is fluff. That's when I start fluffing them before I install them. And some of them I'm sorry, I separate in 2. You can see the difference. If you're wondering what I was doing with my hands, I was telling you guys I only have 8 strand of hair left. So yes, you guys, separate in 2. Instead of pulling 1, instead of pulling 2 strand, we're pulling 1, because we're doing the invisible method. All right, and here I separate the hair in 2, and like a half, and some of the half I even separate into again, especially to do in the front like this one. You want less hair as possible, because you want to make sure it's not too bulky when you're doing your edges. All right, which I'll tell you what happened in a few, because I'm gonna show you guys anyway. All right, so let's watch this one more time. There you go. Okay, okay, close it, pull it, open the hook. All right, now open the loop and then pull 1 strand instead of 2, and then you knot it 2 times. All right, and then you rub it, give it that friction. You see, you can barely see the cornrows because you don't want to see the cornrow. And like I said, separate the hair into to give you more of a natural look because you don't want it to be too bulky. All right. What color you guys think I should do next? Alright, because like I said, I'm thinking of getting more of this here. Like I said, I really love it. What color you think I should get next? So yes, you guys, as you can see now, I was separating them, like fluff them out, and you see the bounce, you guys. And this hair is like soft, baby soft, you guys, like. I love it, all right? I just love it. And no, I'm not sponsored. I just love the hair. So yes, make sure I get some and let me know what you think about this hair if you do get it or if you have tried it. So you see the difference? That was me trying to take a screenshot. So yes, you guys, as you can see, the hair is super nice and it look really natural. All right, and I didn't do nothing. Now here, what I was saying, you guys, you can see here, I tried to put one and it came out, and I left it alone. It's whatever. So yeah, that would be all for this video, you loves. Let me know what you think. Give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. And I'll see you.